this is Rich with Breathingwiththemarkets.com. Today is December 23rd, 2025. Hopefully you did well in the market. The market was moving great today. A lot of nice moves, big moves, big moves. And those who sat on the sidelines because they said there wasn't any liquidity in the market, they don't know how to trade in the first place, traders. We really have to talk about the myths, and we really have to talk about when's the best time to trade, when it's not time to trade. All of this ghost liquidity that's in the market or not in the market. I want to say something to all the prop firms traders out there, or the prop firm traders just in general. You have to make 3 times the amount of money in order for you to get a payout that you do when you have your own personal account. Don't listen to those fake ass gurus talking about how many accounts did you blow up or not blow up. You know, as far as your consistency, there's too many variables. There's slippage, there's computer problems, there's platform problems, all kinds of problems that you're going to run into with the prop firms. There's rug pulls, there's denials, there's rules. If you are pulling out consistent payouts with any prop firm and you're not gambling, because there's a gambling mentality also, and you know if you're gambling or not, you have a skill that's in the making. No, that's a fact. You need an objective approach to the market. Gamblers don't do well. And you'll have traders get on here and say that they use support and resistance to manage risk, supply and demand to manage risk. They don't know what the fuck they're talking about, okay? To draw a horizontal line on a chart, you don't need support and resistance, supply and demand. You don't need like a word. Just draw a line on the chart. Just draw a line on your chart. Because see, they cannot trade. And if they knew how to trade, then they wouldn't call it support and resistance. If they knew how to trade, they wouldn't call it supply and demand. Or institutions, this is where the institutions get in. This is where the institutions get out. Or they tell you that the liquidity's up there above the last candle to the left, in that area. Can you see the liquidity? Do you see buy and sell orders up there? Do you see buy and sell orders up on a weekly, up high? Or do you see buy and sell orders on the DOM in that area? You see, you have no idea. You have no idea what you're doing. You're following fake gurus. They want to tell you a story. And here's the hard facts. You need a skill in the market, and you need to trade objectively in the market. Don't listen to these gurus where they say technical analysis doesn't work, or indicators don't work, or this doesn't work, or that doesn't work. They cannot comment on something that they don't know, okay? So price action is the best way to approach the market. True price action. If you're a price action trader, you're going to build a skill. And that's not higher highs and higher lows. I get it. People pull money out of the market in different ways. Great. I get it. But follow someone that can trade objectively in the market, because the market is an algorithmic pattern, big and small. And it will confuse you if you don't understand the algorithm. It will. It's not a matter of when, it's a matter of fact. So when you lose, and I lose in the market treats everyone equal. Okay? So if you have a bad day in the market, remember, we all have bad days. If you didn't reach your goal this year, remember, not everyone reaches their goals either. Okay? So you can, if you have a skill and you're building a skill, you can actually start where you left off. Every day is a new day. I teach traders how to start from zero each and every day. And their skill builds over a period of time. It is truly objective in the market. Don't listen to a clown and clowns that say you cannot trade 100% objectively in the market. Because when the candle prints, is it objective or not? I'm not telling you the candle is accurate, because the candles are manipulated, right? There's manipulation in the market, up and down and all over the market. The weakest line on a chart is a horizontal line. It's a fact. So anyone trading supply and demand, support and resistance, order blocks high and low, that is a weakest point in the market. Hate to tell you. So not only are you flipping coins, heads or tails, and the same clowns are using a heads and tails, you only have 50% chance of winning and losing. But what they don't tell you is the rest of the story. They're trying to bait you in and trying to bait beginners in and saying, hey, come with me. I'll show you how the gambling starts. Come provide for me. Come on over to my group and I'll show you how to do the easiest thing. Don't listen, don't study, just press a button. There are clowns on YouTube that actually believe just press a button. There are clowns on YouTube that just say take a bounce. There are clowns on YouTube that just say they structure their risk management around support and resistance, or supply and demand, or highs and lows. There are clowns everywhere. That's a fact, traders. Are you following a guru that claims to be a multi-million-dollar trader but can't trade thousands and thousands of trades and cannot trade on a lower time frame? Because those who can trade consistently on a lower time frame are your best traders. That's a fact. It's easy to swing trade. It's easy to leave trades in overnight. It's easy to leave a trade in until you end up in profit and then claim to be a multi-million-dollar trader. No, that's called an investor. And how did you get the money? Did you make the money in actually trading, or did you make the money through some other form of business, such as selling a course? You have to ask yourself these questions. And you must be able to follow someone that can trade objectively in the market and that can show you patterns that repeat, gems that repeat, a structured mechanical trading system that is objective. Yes, objective. Not a hunch, not I think it's going to go up, not I think it's going to go down, not on my experiences, my decade trading experience of ripping people off, and I had a course and I rug pulled everyone and had a Discord, and I got rid of the Discord too because traders were out trading me, and I didn't like it that traders were actually more profitable than I was and they were more skilled than I was, so I just closed the whole thing down because I was embarrassed. Those people you need to watch out for, traders. And yes, they're still on YouTube and they're changing the way that they communicate. But if you go back in history and you look at their stuff, they just keep changing shit over and over and over again. They don't know how to trade, traders. They just know how to take your money. I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. And Happy Holidays. Remember, we all fail. And we're all going to blow accounts. And one thing we need to do is think positive and build that skill for life. I wish you well. Have a great day, traders. Peace.